This sub-irrigated 5-gallon bucket is a compact system for keeping vegetables watered. That means larger, healthier crops that can withstand drought and summer heat. The self-watering planter has a 1.5-gallon water reservoir. It worked great when I was running experiments on peppers and squash, perfect for small to medium vegetable crops. I had retired my wicking buckets, but this season I'm dusting one off to make room for some spare seedlings. Some of you asked how these are designed. Let's break it down so you can get growing. This gardening system uses 2 buckets nested inside of each other. If you had a 7-gallon bucket, you could use that for the bottom with a 5-gallon bucket on top. But my hack lets you use a cheaper 5-gallon bucket without losing reservoir capacity. That's what this spacer block is for. It elevates the top bucket, making room for more water at the bottom. Here's what I used. 2 5-gallon buckets, 4 4.5-inch long spacer blocks attached from the inside, a 32-inch length of 5/8 polyester cord, which acts as the wick, a 24-inch length of 1/2-inch Schedule 40 PVC pipe, a plastic water bottle, which acts as a watering funnel, and that's it. For the reservoir bucket, drill an overflow hole 5.5 inches up from the bottom on the sidewall. This keeps the water level below the root zone. For the top bucket, I attached spacer blocks just below the bottom lip of the bucket. I also prepped the bottom of the bucket by drilling 3 1-inch holes using a spade bit. One hole is for the fill tube, the other 2 are for the wicking cord. Then I also added 1/8-inch holes to create an aeration screen. Place the top bucket into the bottom one, insert the wicking cord, drop in the fill tube, and attach the funnel. Now it's ready to fill with potting mix. For this one, I used 4 gallons of retail potting mix. I amended it with perlite, vermiculite, and some organic fertilizer. These peppers were leftover seedlings that I couldn't bring myself to part with. They grew really well in just 1-quart pots. Well, these weren't standard pots. They're miniature wicking pots. If they can get this big with a quart of soil, what will 5 gallons yield for the 2? Well, we'll find out. One thing to be wary of is the potential for these to become top-heavy, especially as plants get big and the reservoir gets depleted. If this is a concern, you could always add a brick to the bottom for stability. These SIP buckets are perfect for decks or balconies, an excellent option for renters, or if you just want a system that's easy to move around. You could grow a single medium tomato in one of these. I wouldn't grow watermelons or corn, but peppers, squash, broccoli, carrots, spinach, lettuce, or herbs would all do great. If you try these out, let us know what you planted. Thanks for watching and supporting my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope this video helps you out, and as always, I'd like to wish you happy gardening.